Hey, beautiful people. So I want to show you this website that I created that can actually show you all of the credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Not only just credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, but it's literally so many different credit cards on this website. So I have to Discover, Capital One, Credit One, Open Sky. I had the City, the Tumo, the Apple, so many of them. So let's actually go down the list and look at the different credit cards that's here. And don't forget, you guys, pre-qualification, pre-approval, it basically means that they're going to tell you whether or not they can give you a credit card without a hard inquiry. And that's really good, you guys, because you don't want to get a lot of hard inquiries for nothing. So let's see the things that we have here. I want to show you all the different things we have here as far as credit cards. So I have my membership here. You can see here. I have Aura. If you guys need to look at your credit report, you can get Aura. I tell you guys about Self. Self, they have the secure Visa, and they also have an installment account. When I had Self, you guys, my credit score went up over 155 points since being with them. So I always tell people about Self. And then we also have the credit builder card here. That's a secure card. But let's get into some of these pre-qualification cards. So let's go down some. So let's start off. We have the Capital One here. So Capital One, they have so many different credit cards that can actually pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. I tell you about these credit cards all the time. So all you have to do is click right here, see if I'm pre-approved, and all you have to do is just put your information in, and then they'll let you know exactly what they can pre-approve you for. Now, depending on if your credit's bad, if your credit's good, they have something for you because they have secure credit cards, and then they have those unsecured credit cards. And you can see they have credit cards here with bonuses. So you can earn a $200 bonus on quite a few of these cards. All you want to do is go ahead and put your first and last name in, and then they're going to ask for further details. But go ahead and see if Capital One can pre-qualify you all for a credit card. Next, you want to probably look into like Navy Federal. Navy Federal have credit cards that you guys can actually get to. Now, I don't know why my computer is so slow. I'm not going to pull up all of the additional websites since my computer is so slow. What I'm going to do is just go through them. And if you guys like it, I'm going to tell you a few details about it. If you guys like it, then go ahead and click on that website, and then you go through everything on that website. So the next website I want to talk to you guys about is the Navy Federal. You can pre-qualify with no credit check, which is good. And you can get secured and unsecured. If you go ahead and try to get this credit card, it is going to be a pull to TransUnion. So you guys understand that if your TransUnion credit score is not the best, then you probably want to try other different credit cards. But if you guys have a low credit score, it's going so slow. It must be a lot of people on my website right now. It's making it go so slow, or maybe my internet. But if you guys have a low credit score, then you want to probably get their secure credit card, because with their secure credit card, while you have them, if you put $200 down in 6 months, they're going to increase that limit to a $2,000 credit card. So I really like that about them. Then we have the Discover credit cards, where you guys can pre-qualify again without a credit check. They're going to pull TransUnion again. They have secure options too. And we also have Credit One Bank. They can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. They're going to pull Experian. We have the Mission Lane. They're going to be able to pre-qualify you, and they're going to pull TransUnion. Both Credit One and Mission Lane is for people who have bad credit, or not. Let me not even say bad credit, lower credit scores. So if you guys have a lower credit score, then you may want to just try to pre-qualify for both of these credit cards, because it's a great chance that you're going to be able to get them. The Wayfair credit card, they can pre-qualify you without a credit check. That is really good. The Tumo credit card, they're going to pre-qualify you without a credit check with the Tumo credit card, and that's because they're really going to pull your banking information. So they're going to look into your banking, your account that you're going to give access to look into. And when they look into it, what they're going to do is they want to see if you had any overdrafts, how much money you have coming in terms of deposits, how much money you're spending, and they're going to base your limit off of that, and they can pre-approve you all the way up to $10,000. Next, we have the Apple credit card. They can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. The best thing I like about the Apple credit card, though, not only do they pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, but they can tell you exactly how much they can approve you for too. So definitely check out the Apple card. I really like that they can do that for you all. Then we also have the American Express. You guys can pre-qualify for that American Express credit card. Again, it's without a hard inquiry. So that means they're going to tell you yes or no, and it's going to be without a hard inquiry. If for some reason your credit is bad and you can't get that American Express, I told everybody maybe you want to sign up for their Serve card and keep that card active for about 6 months, and then try to go back and pre-qualify for the American Express, because you're going to start being in the American Express ecosystem. So you're going to start being in their system. And as soon as you're in their system, then you guys are going to be able to have a greater chance of getting approved for that credit card. Then we also have the Credit One Bank American Express. It's the same thing as that Credit One Bank up here that I was telling you all about. This one here is the same one, but this is just when you want to get that American Express one. Like, I want that American Express one. If you want to get that American Express one, then you want to click on this link to try to pre-qualify for it. Then we have FNBO. I suggest you guys have a higher credit score, because if you guys don't have a higher credit score, they're going to try to get you their secure credit card. But again, pre-qualify. A lot of people say, I don't think I'm going to get this credit card. I don't think I'm going to get that credit card. And I'm like, how do you know? Try to pre-qualify and see exactly what they can give you and just go from there. Then we have the NASA credit card. They can go ahead and pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. We have the Pedal 2 credit card. That's good. You guys can go ahead and get that one without a hard inquiry. We have Walgreens credit cards. And the Walgreens, I believe, will tell you exactly how much you'll actually get. We have the Prosper credit card, like the Prosper, the Milestone, the Indigo. These are all credit cards that can pre-qualify. I say all the way forward that can pre-qualify you if you have bad credit. And Destiny also, let's just include them. So all 5 of these can actually pre-qualify you if you have bad credit. So you can check out all 5 of those cards. The Best Egg and the Deserve, all of these are more of loans, personal loans. If you want to pre-qualify for a loan, then here you go. You have some loans here. And we got the Care Credit. That's a credit card for if you guys need to go and get any medical things done, or say if you have a pet and you need to take them to the vet, then you guys can also use that Care Credit for that. A lot of people were pre-qualifying for a credit card with them, so I really, really like that. And let's see what else we have. We had the Lexus. A lot of people's pre-qualifying for that Lexus credit card. Congratulations to everybody that's been pre-qualifying. If you came to my link and you was able to pre-qualify for this credit card, any of these credit cards, definitely let us know in the comments. And I also have a thing too where it pulls Equifax. I started putting more things on here, like where they're going to pull it from, like who they're going to pull it from if you guys apply for it. I'm going to fill this in more, and I'm going to keep adding more credit cards. So keep coming back, you guys, because if I ever tell you about any credit card, it's going to be here. So definitely come back here. The GM Rewards card, you guys can pre-qualify for that. The Dales, you guys can pre-qualify for that. A client said that they recently just got that. The Home Depot, you guys can pre-qualify for that. We got the Toyota, the Kohl's, and then the U.S. Alliance. There's so many more coming, you guys, that I want to tell you all about. But this is what I tell my clients to do. Is you guys have a low credit score, right? If you have a low credit score and you don't know exactly which credit card you can get approved for, what I want you to do is I want you just to go down the list and pre-qualify. And if you see it say pre-qualification, let's go to those. I want you to try to pre-qualify for each of these companies, because it's not going to be a hard inquiry. And they can give you a credit card, then you jump on it and you get it. Say, okay, yes, give me the credit card. But understand this, if your credit score go up 20 points, 30 points, you want to come back to this list. And it's all things Rickita, you all. And I have it down below in the comments. You want to come right back here and see which ones you can pre-qualify for if you weren't able to pre-qualify for it before. But let's count and see how many cards on here say pre-qualification. And later on, as I get everything on here, all the credit cards on here, I'm actually going to start organizing these for you. So you see pre-qualification in a complete list. Like you'll just see them all straight to the bottom, top to bottom. But let's go ahead and count them. So we got the Capital 1, that's 1, Navy Federal 2, Discover 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh, wait, I missed these, you guys. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 32 different credit cards that can pre-qualify you, credit cards / accounts that can pre-qualify you. That's a lot. Now, also on my link, you guys, on All Things Rickita, when you first come in, you're going to see all of my different things here. So you'll see my exclusive membership trial. You'll see, my free home buying help. If you guys need help buying a house, go ahead and click here. We're helping you through the whole process. You guys can pre-qualify, find a realtor, and we're going to help you throughout the whole closing on your home. I also have my exclusive body. That's for the people that's looking to work out. You guys can definitely sign up for my Facebook group. Go ahead and join. If you need to schedule calls, you can talk to somebody on my team. You can click here. Credit card links. If you click here, all it's going to do is take you to all of the credit cards I showed you already. Vote for me. I'm not doing that anymore, so I'm going to remove that. If you guys need dispute letters, inquiry removal is here. Or again, they're going to give you your monthly credit score. They're going to add some identity theft protection to your account, and it's a 14-day trial. We have Identity IQ, who can also give you your credit reports, but for the first 7 days with their trial, but they're going to charge you $1. And if you want to make a link like this, just go ahead and click right here where it says make your own page just like this using beacons. You can go ahead and click there. I have my planner that I use to plan out my life. It's a 90-day planner. I use it. Here it is here. We have check systems letter. If you guys have if you guys have a hard time getting a bank account, you probably have some bad banking history you need to clean up. Join my podcast. If you want to join my podcast, schedule an appointment with me directly. You can click right here and schedule an appointment. And if you want to start saving money, I have the 15 saving challenges and 4 money trackers. So definitely click on that. Now, you can see I have the popular links, the credit accounts. I have the credit membership. The credit membership, only thing I have there is now where people can go and pay their past due bill. But I'm going to have all of the different links because I'm adding 20 different letters to my membership throughout the week as we'll have what you call it, the semi-annual thing where we're halfway through this year almost, you guys. So as you guys if you guys look, you're going to see all of the different letters here. And if you guys are a member already with my exclusive membership, all you have to do is click on that one, log in, and it's going to take you exactly where that letter is at, and then you can download it. And I'm also going to have other things here because I have a store coming, you guys. So definitely look out for my store. And if you guys are interested, I'm going to make sure I put something up about my store. And anybody that's inside my exclusive membership, I'm going to automatically give you guys 25% off of my store. And then also, I'm going to have a coupon coming out for everybody else. So definitely stick around. I'll tell you guys about it, to hint about it. But you guys, over 32 different credit cards. 32, and hopefully your internet is not bad as mine right now, but I'm in the garage right now making this video, getting everything together for my store. It's where my warehouse is at right now. So yeah, I think it's probably just my Wi-Fi right now and trying to record my screen. But let me know if you guys get approved for any of these credit cards. And congratulations to those who already got approved for the credit cards. If you guys want me to do a review on a credit card, definitely let me know because I'll do that review for you. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.